Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly 9 Android settings you need to turn off now. Locate the Settings app on your mobile device and tap to open it. Scroll through the Settings menu and find the section labeled Connection. Tap on it to proceed. Within the connection settings, look for an option called More Connection Settings and tap on it to continue. Within the More Connection Settings menu, you will find an option for nearby device scanning. Toggle this option off to disable it. Now it is time to control which apps can run in the background. To do this, you will need to enable developer mode. Return to the main settings menu and scroll down to the bottom. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on the option labeled About Phone. Within the About Phone menu, find and tap on the option labeled Software Information. Within the Software Information menu, locate the build number and tap on it 7 times. You may be prompted to enter your PIN or passcode to confirm. Once developer mode is enabled, return to the main settings menu and scroll down to find the newly unlocked developer options. Tap on it to open. Within the Developer Options menu, scroll down until you find the section related to background tasks or background checks. Tap on the background check option and review the list of apps. Toggle off the ones you don't recognize or don't need to update in the background when you are not actively using your phone. Open the Settings menu on your device. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on the option labeled Location. This is where you manage your device's location services. Look for a toggle switch next to Location and make sure it is switched on. This allows your device to use GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks to determine your location. Within the location settings, there should be an option called Improve Accuracy. Tap on it to access additional settings related to location accuracy. You will see toggle switches next to Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Switch both off to prevent your device from scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices when location services are on. Return to the main location settings screen and tap on Google Location History. This is where you can manage the location history associated with your Google account. Find the option to turn off location history and switch it off. Return to the main settings menu. Scroll down until you find the options labeled Apps and tap on it. This is where you can manage the settings for individual apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list of apps and select the ones you want to adjust settings for. In this example, we are selecting Android Setup. Inside the app settings, look for the option related to mobile data usage. Tap on it further to access the settings. You will see an option to restrict background data usage. Make sure this option is switched off to allow the app to use mobile data even when it is running in the background. Once again, return to the main settings menu. Navigate to the section where you can manage your apps. Look for the 3 dots in the corner of the screen and tap on them to access additional options. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Special Access. This is where you can manage special permissions granted to certain apps. Within the special settings, find and tap on the option related to installing apps from unknown sources. Switch off the option for each app listed to prevent them from installing apps from unknown sources. If you see any apps with this permission enabled, tap on them to switch them off. If prompted to allow installation from a specific source, make sure to deny the permission by tapping on Deny. Return to the main settings menu. Find and tap on the option labeled Privacy. This is where you manage privacy settings for your device. Within the privacy settings, look for an option called Permission Manager and tap on it. This is where you can manage permissions granted to apps. For example, if you tap on the camera permission, you will see options for how the camera permission is handled. Make sure it is set to ask every time if you want to be prompted before an app can access your camera. Similarly, for messaging apps like Messages, you can select the permission settings that suits your preference. In this example, we are choosing Ask Every Time to be prompted before the app can access certain permissions. Return to the main privacy settings menu and look for the option to send diagnostic data. Switch this option off to prevent your device from sending diagnostic information to developers. If prompted to confirm your changes, tap on OK to confirm and apply the settings. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.